Hey, Mike, I am having problem with my notebook. It turns itself off when I simply unplug it.
So, you cannot work attaching to the outlets, right? Let's see. No, it's the battery. You will need to replace the battery with a new one.
Damned, you mean I have to buy a new laptop?
You need only replace the battery pack.
How? Where?
Here, call him 0859100421. Tell him the battery's part number and he can get you the best affordable notebook batteries on earth. Remember 085-9100-421 or email to sales@batterynotebook.net. You get that?
Thank you, my friend. What did you say?
I said, call him at 085-9100-421 or go to www.batterynotebook.net.